National Weather Service in La Crosse has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northern Buffalo County and west central Wisconsin, northwestern Trempealeau County and west central Wisconsin until 7:45 p.m. At 7:06 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Durant to 6 miles northeast of Buffalo City, moving northeast at 45 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Severe thunderstorms will be near Modena around 7:10 p.m. Mondovi around 7:15 p.m. Other locations impacted by these severe thunderstorms include Wilmington, Montana, Cream, Chimney Rock, Mondovi Airfield, and the Big Swamp area. Remain alert for a possible tornado. Tornadoes can develop quickly from severe thunderstorms. If you spot a tornado, go at once into the basement or small central room in a sturdy structure. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 7:45 p.m. for the following counties in Wisconsin: Buffalo and Trempealeau. This is not... A severe thunderstorm warning for eastern Malheur County in southeastern Minnesota, northwestern Fillmore County in southeastern Minnesota until 8:15 p.m. At 7:28 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located 7 miles northeast of Leroy, or 16 miles southwest of Preston, moving northeast at 50 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. This severe thunderstorm will be near Wyckoff around 7:35 p.m. Fountain around 7:45 p.m. Other locations impacted by the severe thunderstorm include Forestville State Park, Edna, Carmona, Wayland, Pilot Mound, Cherry Grove, and Old Barn Campground. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 8:15 p.m. for the following counties in Minnesota: Fillmore and Malheur. This is not... The National Weather Service in La Crosse has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Howard County in northeastern Iowa, northwestern Winneshiek County in northeastern Iowa, southeastern Fillmore County in southeastern Minnesota until 8:15 p.m. At 7:38 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Lime Springs, or 7 miles northwest of Cresco, moving northeast at 40 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. This severe thunderstorm will be near Harmony around 7:50 p.m. Preston around 7:55 p.m. Other locations impacted by the severe thunderstorm include Granger, Henrytown, Amherst, Bristol, Bonaire, Hutton, and County Roads at 23 and B58. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 8:15 p.m. for the following county: Fillmore, Minnesota, and the following counties in Iowa: Howard and Winneshiek. A severe... The National Weather Service in La Crosse has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Howard County in northeastern Iowa, Winneshiek County in northeastern Iowa, northeastern Chickasaw County in northeastern Iowa, southeastern Fillmore County in southeastern Minnesota, until 8:30 p.m. At 7:46 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Cresco, moving northeast at 40 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. This severe thunderstorm will be near Mabel around 8:05 p.m. Other locations impacted by the severe thunderstorm include Vernon Springs County Park, Vernon Springs, Hesper, Highlandville, Bluffton, and Locust. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 8:30 p.m. for the following county, Fillmore, Minnesota, and the following counties, in Iowa, Chickasaw, Howard, and Winneshiek. Severe thunderstorm warning. The National Weather Service has issued severe thunderstorm watch number 664, effective until 11 p.m. This watch includes the following county, Houston, Minnesota. Remember, a severe thunderstorm watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including large hail and damaging winds, in and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA Weather Radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. This is NOAA. Central Winona County in southeastern Minnesota until 11:15 p.m. At 8:17 p.m., Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Radar estimates and reports from emergency management indicate between 1 and 3 inches of rain have fallen. Additional rainfall amounts up to 1 inch are possible in the warned area. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Expected hazards include flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Severe weather has been confirmed by law enforcement and requests they pass this information to the National Weather Service when you can do so safely. Repeating, a flash flood warning has been issued until 11:15 p.m. for the following county, Winona, Minnesota. Winneshiek County in northeastern Iowa, western Houston County in southeastern Minnesota, southeastern Fillmore County in southeastern Minnesota, until 8:45 p.m. At 8:17 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 8 miles northwest of Spring Grove to 6 miles southeast of Mabel, moving northeast at 35 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Severe thunderstorms will be near Spring Grove around 8:25 p.m. Caledonia and Houston around 8:30 p.m. Other locations impacted by these severe thunderstorms include Choice, Perkins, Highlandville, Quandale, Brisseford, and County 5 and Peyton Road. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 8:45 p.m. for the following counties, in Iowa, Allamaquo and Winneshiek, and the following counties, in Minnesota, Fillmore and Houston. This is no... thunderstorm warning for Houston County in southeastern Minnesota until 9:30 p.m. At 8:41 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Caledonia to 6 miles southeast of Spring Grove, moving east at 20 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Severe thunderstorms will be near Caledonia around 8:45 p.m. Hoka around 9 p.m. Brownsville around 9:05 p.m. New Albany around 9:10 p.m. Other locations impacted by these severe thunderstorms include Dunlevin Park Campground, Ison, Beaver Creek Valley State Park, and Reno. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 9:30 p.m. for the following county: Houston, Minnesota,